So I'm back. I actually have something that I just got in the mail. I actually was on eBay, randomly on eBay, and I placed a bid for this item, and I think I put it was $10. I think I placed, and I totally forgot about it. And then I think maybe the next day or the 2 days later, I got a notification that I had won the bid. I had totally forgotten about it. So this just came in the mail. Um, it is a Coach card holder. Um, so let's open it up. So here's the little cloth. What's it called? The dust protector cloth. Let's see. Oh, wow. Actually, this is okay. So in the pictures, it looked blue. It's actually gradient. It goes from a blue to a green, and then this side from a green to a blue. If you can see, there's a Coach sign. Has a pocket here, another pocket here, and let's see. Oh, it's here. It says Coach right. Oh no, what does it say? Made in Vietnam. So it's a Vietnam piece, and then here it says Coach. Yeah, this is actually really nice. I was not for. There's a little tag inside with the serial number. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. Oh, it's really hard to see. I don't want to pull it too hard. I just got this, but there it is. Yeah. So this is actually really nice. I won it for like I think $18 with total and everything with shipping. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys really quick.